Saint Lucia is known for its fantastic beaches and natural beauty, but few are aware of some of the more adventurous opportunities offered here. In this episode, we will head deep into the island's rainforest to enjoy exhilarating experiences. After our eventful excursion 2 days prior, we started our day by heading out to the Tet Paul Nature Trail. We rented a car on this trip. Before renting a car in Saint Lucia, you should be prepared to drive in pretty difficult conditions, as most of the roads on this island are not well paved, with lots of winding turns, steep sections, and potholes. Most of the roads are not named, so to get to this trail, head south from Soufrière on the main road. You will see the Fondue Resort on your right. Turn there, then make a left at the main gate. This will take you up to the trail. The Tet Paul Nature Trail is an easy half-mile hike with about 135 feet of elevation gain. We in the jungle.
How you doing?
That's right. Gold costs a lot of money. For something that can invest it to a higher rate. Yeah.
This hike features a short incline through a beautiful dense rainforest before flattening out, giving you small teasers of the main viewpoint ahead. You can hike alone or with a guide for $10 a person. My family went with a guide, but they were very well versed in the geography of the area and provided great facts to complement the scenery. As the trail flattened out, we were captivated by all of the beautiful wild vegetation. It was extremely vibrant in color. They even had pineapples. The final portion of this hike is a very short incline called the Stairway to Heaven, which leads to the best view I've ever seen on a Caribbean island. These massive volcanic plugs called the pitons tower over Sugar Beach, leaving an amazing contrast with the massive forested mountains over the cool Caribbean Bay. After taking in this amazing view, we headed back for the night. Somebody's enjoying the sunset. next morning, I attempted to capture a very elusive creature, a hummingbird. I recently got into wildlife photography, so expect more stuff like this in future videos. The next day, we set out towards the town of Viewfort to embark on our most exciting tour of the whole trip. Going on a buggy tour. Got that four-wheeler buggy. This tour recently got a sweet upgrade with new 4x4 Honda buggies. These had tons of power, which made for an awesome ride through much bumpier sections later in the excursion. We drove for about 45 minutes, heading deeper into the island, watching the landscape slowly transition from tropical beaches to dense rainforests. Our primary destination was the Zipline Adventure Tours.
We're going zipline. Mom, you ready to zipline? Never done it?
Never done it.
Scared?
A little bit.
You'll be fine. You did it! 12 more to go.
That's pretty interesting.
My dad is afraid of heights, so expect some very funny footage of him clearly not enjoying it.
Was it bad?
Watch your hands.
Coming in hot there.
Jungle zip.
Yes.
The next few zip lines were not as eventful in order to get everyone back to the main staircases to take us up to where the real action begins.
Oh, no. My butt off, they're T-poles. She's so sweet.
It should give
video.
Oh, okay. Oh no.
You don't need no hands. If you spin a little sideways, it's okay. Let's go. Knees up.
Oh God! Oh, come on! Time for me to eat shit.
Turn around, face the tree.
Oh, face the tree?
Sit down.
Sit down.
Sit down. Cross your legs.
I still find this video hilarious.
Last one.
Yeah.
Thank y'all. Have a good
Thank
one.
you. Finishing up the zip line. Getting back in the buggies. We were sweaty as hell.
It was very hot.
This is the portion of the buggy drive that started getting a little wild.
You're trapped in here with me.
I'm so scared. Oh my God. Get me out of this car with this crazy man. He's insane. He's an insane man. I don't feel safe.
Shit.
Oh,
Come on. Go.
my God.
Here we go.
Help! Help! Help me!
Should have walked through the water.
Oh,
I stepped on rocks.
The guide took us to this special waterfall that we had all to ourselves. I'm not even sure if this one has a name. It truly was a magical way to end this tour before heading back.
Here we go again.
trip was easily my favorite. I loved the freedom of driving super fast on these rough roads through the lush rainforest, dodging potholes, and enjoying the warm breeze. Rachel enjoyed it, but she definitely was a bit concerned. This excursion was outstanding and was an extremely exhilarating experience and a great way to enjoy St. Lucia. Most people come here for the beaches, but we all loved this. If you want to check out this excursion, check out Adventure Tours. They will be linked in the description. If you want to see more content like this, give this video a like and subscribe, and check out our other videos on nature and travel. Thank you for watching, and we will see you all on the next journey.